probably know this bass line from a famous golden oldie hit. And today I'm going to show you how you can use these pure major pentatonic licks in your playing over a chord progression using pretty much the same pattern. If you are a beginner or an intermediate player, you're going to enjoy that, and it's going to expand your playing a little bit from going to playing open chords to playing power chords in the open position, and then add these cool licks that you can expand on. In future lesson, I will add some more cool stuff that you can build on, not only the major pentatonic scale, but also the minor pentatonic scale, and mixing them up. Okay, so stay tuned for future lessons. So let me play what we're going to learn today, and I'm going to break it down for you. Okay, so maybe you say, well, that sounds way too complicated for a beginner, but I beg to differ, because you probably know the E chord, the A chord, and the B chord. Now you're gonna protest, I know, because it's a tough one, but we don't have to play the bar chord today. The E chord can be played as a power chord. The A chord can be played as a power chord. And the B chord can be played as a power chord. Okay, and that's what we're going to do today, and fill in these melodic bass lines. If you get something out of my lessons, then please subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications when new lessons go up. Thank you so much. For the E power chord, all we have to do is put the index finger on the A2, and then hit the E and the A string. Okay, then we move that index finger down to the D2, and we play the A open and the D2. That's the A power chord. And then for the B, we'll have to use that ring finger. And what we do is we put the index finger again on the second A and the ring finger on the 4D. So here we go. Okay, and now the melody for the A, we play the E chord once and we palm mute it. Okay, and then we slide with our ring finger from 2 to 4 on the E. And then we play A2, A4, and D2. You could also play like, right, to make it simple. If you're not comfortable with the slide yet, you can also play just index finger, ring finger, index finger, ring finger, index finger. And then we go directly to A. And we do the same thing, same pattern. Just one string below. Or, okay, and then for the B, we play the B once and mute. And then we'll move that ring finger up to the A4 and we slide to A6. And then the normal pattern. We go with the index finger to the D4, the D6, and then the G4. Back to. So you can see this is fairly simple. Okay, now you say that's not exactly how you played it in the demo, and I agree. So I gave you the simple version. What I did, and that's adding a bend. If you're not good at bends yet, basically a bend and a release, I should say, you can also play it like this. You can try the slide. Either or, okay? Or both. You might play it once with a bend and then once with a slide, right? So it doesn't have to be always the same. I'll give you a few things you can try out and just do your own thing, okay? So I'm going to play it again slow so you get a good idea what it sounds like, and then please practice. Come on back because I'm going to have a really cool lesson that should be linked right here when it's ready for you. All right, stay tuned for that next lesson. Should be a link right here. And until then, I will see you soon. Take care.